Hey, what's up folks? This is Keith and you're watching Barbour's Auto Help. Today I'm going to be showing you how to replace a map sensor on a 2001 Pontiac Bonneville 3.8 liter V6 Series 2, and this procedure is going to be similar for probably all the Series 2 General Motors V6s out there, the 3.8 liters. Do check your repair manual just to confirm that, but if you got this style map sensor, well, you can use this video most likely. First of all, I'm missing my cover here, so I won't be able to show you one step, but I'll show you how to do it. If you twist this oil filler neck off right here, set it off to the side, if you'll probably have your cover on your engine, you pull your cover straight up and out of the way. That way you can access your map sensor there. So it's super simple. First thing you want to do is pull up on this little tang right here and pull out on your connector, just like so. Spread these out right here and pull up on your sensor. And probably what you'll find is, like on mine here, this has actually been super glued back together, or actually looks like maybe some JB Weld or something, I'm not really sure. But this part right here kind of comes apart from the sensor just like that, and a lot of times that's what actually causes these sensors to go bad. So I don't have another sensor, but I just want to show you how to do this. So of course, once you get this out, make sure that your seal comes out with it and that no part of the seal is left down in the hole there. And it's worth noting that your positive crankcase ventilation valve, your PCV valve, lives right up underneath this right here. So if you're going to replace your map sensor, you may as well go ahead and replace your PCV valve also. And I have a video on that, and I'll put a link down in the description. You're welcome to watch that video on replacing your PCV valve on this. So we don't have anything stuck down in the hole. We looked at that real good, and we're going to take our new map sensor, which I don't have one, I'm just showing you how to do this, and we're just going to push it right down in that hole just like that. I'm going to reconnect our electrical connector, put our engine cover back on, and you'll probably need to erase your codes after this if you have a map sensor code, and you should be good to go. Guys, if you have any questions, comment down below. Let me know. I'll be happy to get back to you on that. Also, please see the entire description of this before you do this and before you apply any of this knowledge here. And as always, wear safety glasses. I also recommend wearing nitrile gloves. As you can see, I don't have mine on, but I do recommend that too to protect your skin. Thanks for watching, guys.